Today's gonna be a fun day because we're gonna be checking out what's going on at NASA Langley. They're gonna show us some behind the scenes stuff, some of the cool things that I haven't yet seen. So let's see what it's all about. On our tour, we're starting in the 3D printing makerspace area at Langley, and this is the area where the latest in technology for 3D printing is being done. Whether it's for a moving part or a replica of a large piece for a spacecraft, this area can serve as a place for those items to be created. This design, where the propeller blades fold up and then down, is going to be used on NASA's X-57 aircraft, a plane not powered by jet fuel, but by batteries. Pretty cool. And that aircraft is set to begin testing in the next few years. Our next stop for the NASA Social Group was at Building 1208 for the virtual reality demo. And in this demo, we are inside a spacecraft orbiting Mars and seeing what it's like to be in microgravity. Also, what's interesting is to see how small or large the inside feels.
All right, here we go.
Now, according to the team behind this, they have been gradually working on this for the past year and a half, and more work is being done for future medical research. After that, it was lunchtime, and sorry I didn't record any of that. I was really hungry, but I did record the gift shop. And you may have seen the solar system mug I got while I was at Langley, and there's a bunch of other cool swag in there too. Now, after the gift, we got to watch Jim Bridenstine give us an update on the state of NASA for the years ahead. And if you love astronomy like I do, the times are going to get very exciting.
All right, this is part of the lunar landing demonstration in an area where you can practice landing. And actually, NASA astronauts have been trying this out and training on this, so check this out.
Now, this is the XV System Simulator. This is where you can use a lander to land on the moon. And for some of us, it didn't work out so well. But for others, we landed like we've been flying for years. And finally, if you are into drones, check this out. These two drones are flying and navigating this ropes course autonomously. And this next demo is showing a larger drone that has a programmed destination. However, if it encounters a person or an obstacle, it'll then stop and wait or go around if it can. The research being done here is going to allow scientists to venture into dangerous places with these drones, and even people like emergency managers searching for someone lost in the woods.
Wow, what a fun day it was to see all of the cool things here at NASA Langley. There's even more that's happening coming up later this spring. I can't tell you what it is now, but I'll show you that coming up in the next couple of weeks.